If you're looking to upgrade your job site or small workshop setup, a reliable portable table saw is a must-have. In this video, we're reviewing the top 5 portable table saws available on Amazon. Let's begin with the DEWALT DWE7485, an 8¼ compact job site table saw that has become a favorite among professionals and hobbyists alike. Powered by a 15-amp motor, it delivers plenty of cutting power in a compact, easy-to-transport package. What makes the DWE7485 stand out is its rack and pinion fence system, which allows for fast, smooth, and accurate adjustment. With a 24.5-inch rip capacity, it handles large plywood sheets and dimensional lumber with ease. The all-metal roll cage base adds durability, while the onboard storage keeps accessories organized. Its compact design makes it ideal for job sites with limited space, and the safety features, including a blade guard and anti-kickback pawls, enhance user confidence. For contractors or serious DIYers who need mobility and performance, the DEWALT DWE7485 is hard to beat. Next up is the SKIL TS6307-00, a 10-inch job site table saw that offers tremendous value without compromising performance. It features a 15-amp motor and includes a folding stand for quick setup and storage. The saw uses a rack and pinion fence system similar to DEWALT's, providing smooth and accurate adjustments during cuts. What sets it apart is the integrated folding legs and large tabletop, which together create a stable work surface while remaining portable. The saw also includes a dust port for cleaner operation and a bevel capacity of 0 to 47 degrees for angled cuts. Many users appreciate how accurate the saw is straight out of the box, and for under $300, it offers a great mix of affordability and capability. It's ideal for homeowners or entry-level pros who want a dependable saw with essential features. Our third pick is the Skilsaw SPT99-11, a heavy-duty 10-inch worm drive table saw built for serious job site use. This saw is powered by a worm drive motor that provides more torque than standard direct drive motors, making it capable of handling thick hardwoods and demanding cuts. With a 30.5-inch rip capacity and a rugged construction, this saw is designed with the professional contractor in mind. The rolling stand makes transportation easy, and the integrated outfeed support gives added control for longer materials. The durability of the SPT99-11 is frequently praised by users who rely on it for daily use. If you're a contractor or woodworker who needs serious cutting power and rock-solid stability, this saw is a professional-grade tool worth considering. Coming in fourth is the Bosch GTS15-10, a 10-inch portable table saw that features Bosch's legendary gravity rise stand. This system allows for quick setup and takedown, making it perfect for job site mobility. The saw itself is powered by a 15-amp motor and features a 32-inch rip capacity, giving it ample strength and size for large material. Bosch's square lock rip fence system is smooth and precise, and the table's coating helps reduce friction for cleaner cuts. Safety is also a priority with features like a smart guard system and anti-kickback devices. This model is especially popular among contractors who need reliable performance and easy transport between jobs. Its combination of thoughtful design and cutting power makes it a strong all-around choice. Finally, we have the Metabo HPT 10-inch job site table saw, a powerful option that's growing in popularity among pros and hobbyists. With a 15-amp motor and a soft start function, it reduces recoil and startup noise. One of its standout features is its 35-inch rip capacity, the largest among the 5, making it ideal for cutting wide boards and sheet materials. The saw includes a foldable stand with wheels for portability and an electric brake for added safety. Users appreciate the solid build and smooth operation, and many note that it competes favorably with more expensive brands in the same category. For those who want maximum rip capacity and advanced safety features in a portable package,